Peyton.
And my name is Mark. Welcome to the next installment of
My Joke Rules.
This week we will present jokes submitted by grade 6 students.
But first, let's find out who our Prep to Grade 2 My Joke Rules winner is from last week.
Getting 28.6% of the vote last week was Aurora in Prep. Let's replay her joke from last week.
Number 1 from Aurora in Prep. What do you call a bear with no teeth? A gummy bear.
Congratulations, Aurora. A virtual trophy will be coming your way. Now let's get into our jokes for this week.
Joke number 1 from Ruben. My friend said to me, "What rhymes with orange?" Then I said, "No, it doesn't."
Joke number 2 from Tiana. Why are frogs always so happy? They eat whatever bugs them.
Joke number 3 from Isabel. What did the science book say to the math book? Wow, you've got problems.
Joke number 4 from Ashlyn. What is white when it's dirty and black when it's clean? A blackboard.
Joke number 5 from Tay. When I am at weddings, old people poke me and say, "You're next." So at funerals, I poke old people and say, "You're next."
Joke number 6 from Noah. What do you call a row of bunnies moving backwards? A receding hairline.
Joke number 7 from Cooper. Why did the banana go to the doctor? He wasn't peeling very well.
So those are the jokes for this week. We now invite you to vote on your favourite joke. The voting site link is shown below and you can now vote right up to 9 a.m. next Thursday.
Next week we'll be having a special episode of My Joke Rules featuring dad jokes. Yes, that's right. We are inviting RPS dads to submit their favourite dad joke.
If you would like to submit a joke for next week, the link to submit is shown below. All jokes need to be submitted by 9 a.m. next Thursday.
See you all next week for the next episode of
My Joke Rules.